Defining wetlands and their characteristics. Wetlands are areas where water saturates the land, either permanently or seasonally. These ecosystems are crucial for biodiversity, serving as habitats for various plant and animal species. Wetlands can be found in many forms, such as marshes, bogs, and fens, and play a vital role in water filtration and flood control. Defining swamps and their characteristics. Swamps are a specific type of wetland characterized by the presence of standing water and vegetation, typically dominated by trees and shrubs. They can be freshwater or saltwater and are often found in areas with poor drainage. Swamps are typically located in low-lying regions and have a unique ecosystem shaped by their waterlogged environment. Key differences in vegetation. Wetlands are defined by the presence of water, but their vegetation can vary significantly depending on the type of wetland. Marshes, for example, may have grasses and reeds, while bogs are dominated by mosses. Swamps, however, are specifically characterized by the presence of woody plants, like trees and shrubs, due to their deeper water levels. Water levels and drainage in wetlands. Wetlands can be flooded with water year-round or seasonally, depending on local hydrology. Some wetlands have fluctuating water levels, which influence the types of plants and animals that can thrive. The water in wetlands can be fresh, brackish, or saline, but they often have better drainage than swamps, which are typically waterlogged for longer periods. Water levels and drainage in swamps. Swamps are characterized by standing water, often with low or poor drainage. The water levels in swamps remain high for most of the year, sometimes leading to flooded conditions. The stagnant water and low oxygen levels in swamps create a unique environment that supports water-loving plants and animals that can tolerate these conditions. Ecological functions of wetlands. Wetlands serve as critical ecosystems by filtering pollutants from water, regulating water flow, and providing habitats for a variety of wildlife. They act as carbon sinks, helping to mitigate climate change, and provide flood control by absorbing excess water. Wetlands are also important for bird migration, offering resting and feeding areas. Ecological functions of swamps. Swamps, like other wetlands, provide valuable ecological services, including habitat for diverse species, especially amphibians, birds, and fish. Swamps help in flood control and water purification by filtering runoff and trapping sediments. The vegetation in swamps also provides carbon storage, playing an important role in carbon cycling and climate regulation. Location and geographic distribution of wetlands. Wetlands are found in many different geographic locations around the world, from coastal regions to inland areas. They can exist in various climates, from tropical to temperate zones. Wetlands often form in areas where the groundwater level is near or above the land surface, making them prone to flooding or waterlogging. Location and geographic distribution of swamps. Swamps are often located in low-lying areas with slow-moving or stagnant water. They are commonly found in regions with poor drainage, such as floodplains, river deltas, and coastal areas. Swamps can be found in both tropical and temperate climates, but they tend to be more common in humid regions with abundant rainfall. Conservation of wetlands and swamps. Both wetlands and swamps are important for biodiversity and ecosystem services, yet they face threats from human activities such as draining, pollution, and development. Conservation efforts focus on preserving these ecosystems to protect wildlife habitats, improve water quality, and mitigate the effects of climate change.